Hello YouTube, I will show you now how to put makeup in Photoshop. First, open the file. Zoom it in. First, we will change the hair color. First, choose a color whatever you want and click the brush tool. Change the size into 48 pixels and change the mode into color and opacity in 52 and flow to 51 and color it in the hair. Make it perfect. And to put lipstick, first choose a color and still brush tool. And the size is still 48 and the mode color, opacity 52 and flow 51. Make it perfect. And to change the eye color, zoom it in the eye part and choose a color whatever you want. And change the size of the brush tool into 22 and the mode, opacity and flow is still the same. And zoom it out. To put blush, zoom it in, choose a color whatever you want, and change the size of the brush tool into 319 and the mode, opacity and flow is still the same. That's it. To put eyelashes, to put a makeup in eyes, choose first a color and zoom it in eye part. And click brush tool. Change the size of the brush tool into 21 pixels and brush it. To put in this part, choose another color and change the size of the brush into 49 pixels and the mode, opacity and flow is still the same. If you want to put design, ta-da! And that is the result. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it.